Presenting the 2011 BMW 5 Series 528i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger vanity mirror, passenger illuminated visor mirror, power mirror, seat memory, adjustable steering wheel, passenger adjustable lumbar, driver vanity mirror, and premium sound system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.